Hello students, welcome to all of you again in my YouTube channel विनय सर मैथ्स क्लासेस। स्टूडेंट्स, हमने कल डिस्कस किया था एपी के कुछ क्वेश्चन लेके आए। सेम टॉपिक से हम एक बहुत फेमस क्वेश्चन है टू फाइंड द मिडिल टर्म्स ऑफ द एपी। टू फाइंड मिडिल टर्म ऑफ द एपी, हाउ विल फाइंड मिडिल टर्म ऑफ एनी एपी। तो फॉर दिस वन आई हैव टेकन वन एग्जाम्पल like this. Find the middle term of the AP 213, 205, 197 and so on 37. So in this question is asking how find the middle terms of this AP. Okay, so you can see here is AP 213, 205, 197 and so on. Last term is 37 is given. Okay, so how will find the middle term? It's common understood. In this AP, number of terms is not given. Without getting number of terms, we will not able to find middle terms. So you can say first we will find number of terms. Number of terms. How? Let's see. Suppose there's how many fingers there? 3. So here you can say which is middle finger. This one, because I know there's 3 fingers. Okay, which is middle finger? This one. Again you can say there's 5 fingers. The number of fingers we have know the number of finger, so we can say this is the middle finger. So same way in this question, without getting number of terms, we will not able to find middle terms. So first we will find number of terms. Let's see how. AP is given 213, 205, 197 and so on 37. This AP is given. So here first we will find number of terms. So here you can see in this AP first term is given 213. 213. D, forgetting D, we will subtract A2 minus A1. A2 is 205 minus 213, so we get minus 8. Last video already I told you that whenever AP has given in descending order it is compulsory D will become in negative. So here you can see 213, 205, 197 terms are decreasing, so you can understood D will become in negative terms. Okay, now 37 is a AN, so it is AN, is 37. So what we have to find? N we have to find. A 213, D minus 8, AN 37, and we have to find. Now one problem can become again here, कि sir which formula can be used here? Every time maximum student has confused कि which formula we will use. Here after getting this value A, D, A and N, we will able to say कि we can use a formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D for getting value of N. So here put these value whatever given in this question, put these value in this formula, then we will get the value of N. AN 37, A 213 plus N we have no idea, we have to find, so leave it as it is. D minus 8. One question can be coming in your mind, why we have to write minus 8 in a bracket? Every time negative terms will be write in bracket, because without written in minor bracket we can confuse whenever we will do multiply. So every time whenever D will become negative, that time we will write value of D as it is negative come, it will be right in bracket. Now open the bracket. 213 plus this minus 8 multiply N minus 8N plus 8, it will be in bracket. Okay, it is very important point because maximum students are doing mistake here. Okay, now 37, 213 minus 8N plus 8, open the bracket, there's positive, sign will be not change. Now 37, 213 plus 8, 221 minus 18. Here again mostly student has done wrong question here. What we have to transfer, this one here or this one you transfer here? You can see it is the variable minus 8n is transferred this side and this constant term has transferred to this side, so it will be minus 37. Now 8n, subtract it, 11 minus 7 4, 11 minus 3 8, 1. So 8n is equal to 184. 184. Now by dividing 8 we can get the answer. N is equal to, divide 8 2 16 2 3. So here you can see n is 23. N is 23. So here we got value of n is 23. N is 23. That means our first motto has completed. What? Earlier I told you that first we will find number of terms. So here I got n is equal to 23. Now we will see this one is odd or even. You can see it is odd. So here we will write odd. Okay. In class 9 already you taught it. You did whenever number of terms is odd, then we have only one median in static chapter. So here same way here we can find middle terms. N is 23 to middle terms. Middle term is equal to n plus 1 by 2th term. It is a formula for getting middle terms whenever n is odd. Okay, any number will come, no problem, it should be odd numbers. Now put this value here, 23 plus 1 by 2, what term? So you get 23 plus 1 24 upon 2 12 term. 12 term, it is not final answer. By till here we will able to say 12 term of this AP will be middle terms. It doesn't matter कि the answer will come 12, no, 12 value of 12 term will be answer. So here we will find 12 term by using same formula an. So 12 term a plus 12 minus 1 into d. So a, what is a? 213, 11 into d minus 8, 213 minus 88, subtract it, 13 minus 8 5, 10 minus 8 2, 1. Answer will come 125. That means you can say middle term of this AP is 125. That means 125 will be come in the middle of this AP. So by this way we will find middle terms of any AP, like same process. First, again I repeat it, first we will find number of terms. After getting number of terms, then use this formula. After using formula we get the terms, which term will be middle term, and after getting middle terms put their value, we will get the answer. So answer will come 125. Thank you so much.